'76 Plymouth Road Runner. Wash and polish. Alright, let's see how this turns out.
Hey, now, you know who it is. Back again with another video. The new year is here, and the focus is still the same. And that's to continue to update my skills and always have the end game in mind. No distractions. That means unnecessary purchases, cars, jewelry, or whatever may deter me from my goals. Last year I was able to network, which allowed me to build relationships that had a significant impact on my bottom line. I was always confident, but now I'm even more confident because I have people like me that I can lean on. No New Year's resolutions over here. Continue to do the same thing, and that's to move forward.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey, now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also, tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way, you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support.
It's a brand new vehicle. It's probably the first time it's been detailed. I think he had it maybe a few months.
Last year was a success, and it took a lot to get to this point. But what got me here may not be enough to keep me here. So I will continue to adapt to whatever changes that come. Gotta stay relevant. I plan for the worst, so I sit back and wait for the best. January will sell you dreams, so I keep an eye on the weather. The last thing I want to do out here is pump fake. I've raised my prices and I'm targeting a new demographic. In the meantime, I'm creating route density. I want all my clients to be in the same area for the most part. I have so much I want to do, so I gotta hold on to as much money as I possibly can. I'm so excited because with the revenue earned, other business ideas are possible. With all the hard work I put in, it's starting to feel like second nature. It's actually starting to get easy. I'm more successful now than I've ever been, and all I'm doing is mowing lawns and washing cars. Wow. This can't be real. I'm thankful. I'm thankful for everything. Thanks for all the love, all the DMs, all the YouTube comments. I'm glad I can motivate and inspire you guys. There'll be more to come. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Click right here to subscribe and watch these 2 great videos right here. Like a man. Like a man.